What's up, YouTube? Today, it's a new video, a new tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys that your Nintendo Switch adapter that comes with the Switch itself, the original charging block and the cable and the charging adapter. It also can charge and power your Google Chromebook or whatever Chromebook you have, your Samsung, your HP, your Lenovo. As long as it has USB Type C, it will be able to charge your Chromebook. So let's say you, for instance, let me put that down. Let's say, for instance, you left your Chromebook charger or you left even your phone charger, right? Your Nintendo Switch charger will be able to charge your phone, your Chromebook, anything USB Type C, basically. Now, here's how. Okay, so I'm going to plug this in, and you're going to see a charging thing at the bottom. Let me see. Excuse me for that. All right, let me move that out the way. All right, let me unplug that real fast. All right, there we go. So let me bring this up. I don't know if you can see it, but I will try to bring it up as close as possible. All right, and I got my wireless mouse. Let me get it in. Okay, camera, there you go. Right here, it indicates that it's charging. It's at 74%. It will take 38 minutes to now to get it fully back charged. But I would say this is a temporary fix or temporary use. I would recommend fully to use the Nintendo Switch charging adapter as your main source of charging, because it has different voltages, it has different watts and things like that. And it's a possibility you could mess your Chromebook up or your Switch. I'm just saying, but for those that didn't know that your Nintendo Switch adapter can charge up your Chromebook. I have the HP Chromebook right here. Got the little mouse. And so I'm set. You see what I'm saying? I'm set to go. Whenever I need a little juice. I put like that, a little juice for my Chromebook. I'm like, I don't want it to die. But as long as you shut it down like that, boom, you can save battery like that too by just closing up your laptop, your Chromebook, and that'll be that. So there you have it. Let me know if you knew that your Nintendo Switch adapter could charge your Chromebook or charge your phone or any other USB Type C, even your earbuds, even your USB Type C controllers. Your Switch adapter is very powerful for like temporary, emergency uses. But yeah, that's the end of my video. Please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, share. I'll catch you in the next one.